Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best protein pills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the multi-collagen peptides pills by HealthyU Nutrition. These collagen pills are free of sugar, artificial ingredients, soy, gluten, and GMOs. So, you can safely consume these capsules. Moreover, you can consume this supplement to rejuvenate your skin and get rid of signs of aging. These pills work efficiently to make your bones and joints stronger. Give your tummy a good digestive system by consuming these pills regularly. The FDA-approved supplement also contains all natural ingredients. Furthermore, you can simply have these tablets if you are on some diets. The capsules effective put a stop to the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. Moving on at number 4, we have the advanced multi-collagen pills. These multi-collagen pills contain all 5 types of collagens to promote the overall health of both men and women. The grass-fed pasture-raised protein pills also come with a higher absorbency rate and produce lesser wastage. Moreover, these collagen capsules make your skin, hair, and nail healthy and well-nourished. By elevating your overall health, these pills also put a stop to the signs of aging. Furthermore, you can make your bones, joints, and muscles strong to have good health. Therefore, your body can successfully absorb the essential amino acids to keep you healthy and energetic. With the help of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, the pills directly absorb to your body. At number 3, we have the Collagen Peptides collagen pills. These hydrolyzed protein pills make consumption simple and safe. The grass-fed and pasture-raised collagen peptides also help your body to retain the youthfulness for a very long time. Moreover, with the help of essential amino acids, you can provide enough strength to your muscles, joints, and bones. These GMO and gluten-free capsules are safe to consume for everyone. The collagen pills are also very much suitable for people with paleo and keto diet plans. Furthermore, the highly absorbent collagen peptides are very much effective in providing strength to the ligaments and nails of the women. You can easily reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. At number 2, we have the Nutrivein multi-collagen pills. Filled with the goodness of all 5 collagens, these protein pills are very much effective for your hair and skin. You can also consume these capsules twice a day to keep your body healthy. Moreover, the grass-fed chicken, beef, eggshell collagens, and wild-caught fish collagens make the pills suitable for men and women. The tasteless pills are also easy to blend with your daily foods, like soups, coffees, or other baked items. Furthermore, the protein provided by these capsules helps you to make your bones, joints, and muscles stronger. The essential proline protein of the hair boosts up the keratin to make your hair strong and well-nourished. And finally at number 1, we have the ALR Industries Humapro tablets. Filled with whey protein, these protein pills are highly absorbent to human bodies. Therefore, most of the people also find the tablets very much functional for their bodies. Moreover, with the accurate ratio of amino acid, the pills offer perfect human protein synthesis. The product does not produce any waste, and it's totally absorbed by human bodies. Each serving of these pills also does not promote any fat gain. Furthermore, the vegan-friendly formula of the tablets is free of gluten, GMOs, sugar, lactose, heavy metals, or soy. So, people with a vegan diet can simply continue consuming these whey protein-based pills. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.